Hello students, welcome to our today's maths class. So all dear 8th class students, be ready. And of course, we are continuing our square roots and cube roots chapter, which is the 6th chapter in our textbook. 6th chapter, and we are in the 3rd exercise. First 2 exercises we completed. Square of a number, how to square a number, that we discussed, and finding the square root by factorizing method, that also over. Now in this exercise 6.3 we are finding the square roots of any number by using division method. Square roots of a number using the division method. So yesterday in the last class we did so many problems based on finding the square root by division method. Now continuation. This 5th problem I gave it as a homework. Whether you completed it or not, let us actually I don't know. I will solve it. 9025 square root. Students, do it. Start. Find the square root of 9025. Division method. Finding the square root by division method. 9025. How to find the square root? See here. This is called division method. I explained it. So the first step is pair the two numbers from the right side. Two numbers as a pair. This is one pair. This is one pair. But if there is only 3 digits, so this will be one pair, and if suppose 925 is there, this is one pair, 9 will be only 1. So if there is no other number, we take it as a 1 only, like that, 1 digit only, like that. So two numbers at a pair. Now, so take a number here, take a number, multiply with same number, we have to get very near to 90. 90 or just less than 90. Maximum number we should get. So, suppose if 3 3s are 9, so 4 4s are 16. 16, 90, there is a lot of difference. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. We have to get 9 near to 90. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. 10 10s are 100. 100 is more than 90. So we have to take only 2 digits, because first pair only we have to take. So what 9 9s are? 9 9s are 81. Subtract. 9 9s are 81. 90 minus 81 is 9. Next we have to take 2 digits. Pair we have to take. As it is, pair we have to take. Pair we have to take. Now 9 plus 9. We have to add these two. 9 plus 9 is 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. Now write a number here, multiply with same number, we have to get 925. Write a number here, multiply with same number, we have to get 925. Suppose if you write 2, multiply with 2 only. So, but last number 5 means definitely it should be 5. Then only we will get last number 5. So, last number 5 means don't try with 2, 3, 3. Only try with 5, because 5 into 5 only will give 5. So, write 5 and multiply with 5. Write 5 and multiply with 5. That means which number we are taking? 5. Let us see. 5 5s are 25. 2. 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42. 4. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 is 925. Subtraction. This is 0. That means whatever you write here, multiply. First step is pairing the 2 numbers, a bar, 2 numbers like this. Next, take first only one pair we have to take. That means this only, 90. Take a number here, multiply with same number, we have to get maximum up to 90. So 9 9s are 81. 10 10s are 100. 100 is greater than 90. 8 8 is 64, it is less. So greatest possible number we have to take. So 9 9s are 81. So 9 remainder. Next 2 5 we have to take. Pair. So 9 plus 9, 18 we have to write. Write a number here, multiply with same number, we have to get 925. If you write 5 and multiply with 5, 185 into 5 is 925. 925 minus 25 is 0. So this is 5 is taken. So therefore, root of 9025 is, what is the answer? 95. Like this we can find the square roots. Right now. Now, so now finding the square root of numbers with decimals. If it is a decimal, how to find the square? So square root. Squaring you know. Suppose if it is 2.5 whole square. So this is 2.5 into 2.5. Then you multiply it. Remove, you just don't consider the decimal. First you multiply 25 into 25. 25 into 25 is 625. So before one digit decimal, before one digit decimal. So after decimal one digit, after decimal one digit. So in multiplication, we have to put the decimal before two digits. One digit, two digits. One digit, two digits. This is the procedure. So when decimal numbers are given, we can find the square. Square we can find. Square means very simple. 2.5 whole square is 2.5 into 2.5. 25 into 25, 625. One digit decimal, one digit decimal. Two digits decimal, 6.25. Like this. So now, if this is given, we have to get this answer. That is, if we square of this is this. Square root of this is 2.5. Like that. So now if 6.25 is given, then we have to find this value, this we have to get 2.5, which is called square root. How to find it? Same process, division method only, same process. Students, see second question. Find the square root of 2.56. 2.56. How to find the square root of 2.56? Now, how to find the square root? How to find the square root of this number? This is little difficult, students. You have to understand. First, we have to pay the integral part before decimal. This is integral part, this is the decimal part. Integral part, two digits, we have to put the decimal, the pair. So here there is no other number, only one pair. So integral part you consider. Integral part you consider. Integral part, two numbers, we take a pair, we write the bar. So from here, from right to left, this side we have to, from here we have to start two numbers bar, like what we do in general numbers. Integral part we consider as general numbers. So two numbers we pay from right end over. Next, decimal part also two numbers we paid from the left side. Two numbers, next two numbers, next two numbers, like this. But there is no confusion because maximum we are given two digits. So two digits one pair, two digits another pair. If we get more numbers, there will be confusion. But in our syllabus, only two digits given. So integral part, two numbers, you put the bar, two numbers bar, two numbers bar, two numbers bar. After that, decimal part, two numbers bar, two numbers bar, two numbers bar. From here to right, left to right. Like this we take. Now students, see. First we have to take only this 2. 2 we have to take. Tell a number, multiply with same number, we have to get very nearest to 2. 1 ones are 1. 2 twos are 4. 4 is greater than 2. Only this number we have to take. Only this number paid. 2 twos are 4 is greater. So 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. Subtraction. 1 ones are 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Put the decimal here. Put this decimal here and take this pair. Take the pair. Take the pair. Next. 1 plus 1 is 2. As usual. No confusion with the decimal because decimal is kept now only 5, 6. So it is 156. 1 plus 1 is 2. Tell the number, write the number here, multiply with same number to get 156. Last 6 means 4 possible, 6 possible. 24 into 4 is 96. No. 26 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 3. 6 2 are 12 plus 3, 15. 0. So what number we took? 6. So therefore, square root of 2.56 is 1.6. Simple method. Integral part, take two numbers at a time. Two numbers from right to left. But here only one number is given. So put the pair. From after that, decimal part, two numbers from left to right. 2 numbers bar, 2 numbers pair like that. Over. So this is only one number means take a number here, multiply with same so that we have to get nearest number. So 1 ones are 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, 5, 6. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Write 6 and multiply with 6 so that we have to get 156. 26 into 6 is 156. What number we took? 6. So when we are taking the after in decimal part, start taking the decimal part, we have to keep the decimal. After writing the decimal, then take the decimal part pairs. So this is the procedure and be careful. And of course, we have simple problems only. After completing this, write down the second problem. Students, do this. Same method you try 18.49. Integral part, take two numbers like this. Integral part, two numbers like this. Two numbers. From right to left. Decimal part, two numbers like that. Take a number here, multiply with same, we have to get at most 18, maximum near to 18. 5 5s are 25. No. 4 4s are 16. (18 minus 16 is 2). 4 4s are 16. 18 minus 16 is 2. So now take the decimal here Next two numbers you take. Pair. Pair. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Write a number here. Multiply with same number. We have to get 249. Last 9 means 3 3s are 9 only. 2 2s are not 9. 4 4s are not 9. 6 6 are not 9. 5 5s are not 9. 7 7s also will get 9. So let us first try with 3. If you write 3, multiply with 3 only. Whatever number you are taking, multiply with same number. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. So this is subtraction. 249 minus 249 is 0. So what number we took? 3. So therefore students, root of 18.49 is 4.3 answer. Like this. Write down and do the next problem. Two digits pair, two digits pair, two digits pair, two digits pair, like this. After decimal, decimal numbers also 2 digits pair, 2 digits pair, 2 digits pair. Students, tell me the number so that it should be multiplied with same number. We have to get 68 or just near to the 68. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 7 are 49. 8 8 are 64. 9 9 are 81. 81 is greater. 9 9 are 81 is greater. So don't take 9. 8. 8 8 are 64. 8 8 is 64. 68 minus 64 is 4. Decimal you write here. Take 2 digits. Now what we write here? 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 16. Write a number here. Multiply with same number. We have to get 9. 9 means 3 or 7. Only two possibilities. Try with 3. If not, try with 7. So write 3 and multiply with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 16s are 48. Over. So what number we took? 3. So therefore, root of 68.89 is equal to, what is the answer? 8.3. Like this you can find the square root. Write down students and do the next problem. Eighty-six, 84.64. Do it. Integral part decimal 2 digits pair, 2 digits pair, 2 digits pair, but only one. After decimal, from left to right, 2 digit pair, 2 digit pair, 2 digit pair, but only one is there. Now what is the second step? First pairing. Next second step is write a number here, multiply with same number, we have to get 84. So 9 nines are 81. 10 tens are 100. 100 is greater. This we have to take. First this pair we have to take. So 9 nines are 81. So minus 84 minus 81 is 3. Next decimal you put here, 64 you take. Decimal here you put, and second next pair you take. So next step is 9 plus 9 is 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. Write a number here, multiply with same number, we have to get 364. So 4 means it should be possible with 2 and also with 8. So first let us try with 2. Write 2 and multiply with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 1 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, minus 364 minus 364 0. What number I took? 2. So therefore square root of 84.64 is 9.2. Write down, students. So with this model is over. Decimal, finding the square root for decimal is over. You do this example problem and get the answer. Do it, students. You do it. Try these three. You do it, I am writing the answers also, but without seeing the answer you try to get. Homework, you do it now. With this finding the square root model is over.